Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox a Cherry Mobile Apollo. Tada! Here's it. As you can see, still brand new with plastic wrap around it. As first, look at the package. It's small, nice, and compact. At the front, you can see a black display of the unit, so I ordered a black. At the back, you'll see all the specs, but you will notice here that it's only 1,800 milliamps battery, which is unlike the advertised in the commercials that it have a 2,000 milliamps battery. It's also boasts of a G+G technology, which are the same technology used in iPhones, but I actually doubt it. This 1.2 GHz quad core powered by Android Jelly Bean, and I think the main selling point of this cell phone is the BSI sensor camera. So it's a backside illuminated sensor which allows the camera to capture a vibrant and crisp images even under the low light conditions. Okay, without further ado, where's my trusty cutter blade? And aside from being trusty, it's also rusty. And now, let's cut the plastic. Okay. Okay, you can see the actual unit, still wrapped in plastic. Okay. Here's it. So let's move it aside. Let's see what the accessories are. So of course, the usual, the USB data connector, usual handset, battery. So okay, I'm interested in the battery. It said here that it is a 2,000 milliamps battery. So you can see it's different from what is stated at the box and what is on the battery. We hope that what's written in the battery is the true milliamps. Okay. The usual Cherry Mobile chargers, or charger. My bad. So that's the user manual. Okay. And here's the actual unit. Okay. As you can see, it get a nice, smooth, metallic black backside. 12 megapixel camera, back camera. On top, you'll see the power buttons, the headset jack, and the USB jack. The bottom, it's clean. So at the side is the volume rocker switch, and the other side it's also clean. So it's pretty slim and pretty slim phone. Okay. Okay, let's remove the sticker. Okay, as you can see, it's a 4.5 inches HD IPS display, and we will see later if it's really true. Okay, the back cover is to remove. Okay, 2,000 milliamps battery. On the box, it's only 1,800. Battery on. Oops. I think let's not forget to put a SIM card. We will use the slot 1 because it is 3G capable. Slot 2 is just GSM capable. Okay. As you can see, it's nice, neat, and slim. Apollo. Okay, you heard the usual Cherry Mobile opening theme. Here's the Cherry Mobile welcome screen. Probably because it's the first time to boot, that's why it's taking too long. I don't know if it's configuring itself, but for me it takes too long to boot. Okay, so here we go. Okay, on. That's it. Next. Let's cancel it. We'll do it later. Okay, here's it. So IPS screen. I cannot say it yet. I can't comment yet, but I think it looks good. Let's do some subs. Okay. Okay, so that's it. The Cherry Mobile Apollo. Bye bye.